Next, let's talk about the Kinesis video streams and its integration with recognition, AWS recognition. So you are going to get one Kinesis video stream per streaming device, and these devices are called producer. So a streaming device can be anything. It can be a security camera, a body camera, body worn camera, a smartphone, or you can use something like a Kinesis video stream producer library to produce video streams. But the idea is that you would create one video stream for each streaming device. So if you are an IoT company and you are selling cameras, and if you have 1,000 cameras and you need 1,000 video stream, the underlying data is going to be stored in S3, but we don't have access to it, okay? And you cannot output the stream directly into S3. So you will need to consume the video stream and build a custom solution to send data into S3. This is something that the exam will try to trick you on. In terms of consumers for the video, stream can be consumed by EC2 instances if you wanted to do some real-time analysis or in batch, or even send this data to Amazon S3. You can leverage the Kinesis video stream parser library to read this Kinesis video stream, or you can have integration with AWS recognition to do some facial recognition in your videos. And this is the architecture I wanted to show you right now. So we are going to get video producers, and they will send data. Into a Kinesis video stream. As I said earlier, you can have a fleet of EC2 instances to read that video stream and do whatever you want with it, okay? Or you can have the stream go through the recognition, and recognition can use its internal recognition face collection to send some metadata as a new stream. So you are going to create a Kinesis data stream out of the recognition. That will contain all the results of the analysis of the metadata of the video stream, and from the Kinesis data stream, then we know how to use it. We can use EC2 with the KCL library, or we can use Kinesis data firehose, or Kinesis data analytics, and this opens up a lot of different architectures. So going into the exam, remember that you can use Kinesis video stream in combination with recognition to extract some metadata out of your stream and compare that against a database of face collection, and that's going to be the internal to recognition. So that's it. I will see you in the next lecture.